All right, so today I am in an undisclosed location, but I have a beautiful view from where I'm at today. And I actually just cleaned this rug, and we're going to be doing some low moisture cleaning of these pieces of upholstery that the client so graciously lined up for me. And this couch here, these are just some of my pads. You can see this has got little stuff on it here and there. But the thing about this furniture is it's all got down ticking in it. What does that mean? Okay, so let me pull this open and I'll show you what down ticking is. So this is the ticking. This is the bag that holds the feathers. You can see the feathers through there a little bit. And what happens is some of these bags are being treated with super acidic fire retardant. And the fire retardant, if you get this ticking wet, it can bleed into the furniture and turn the furniture pink. So that's why steam cleaning is not the best option for this furniture. This is the same. Down, down, down. Actually, haven't inspected that one yet, but it's going to be down, down. That one's lightly soiled, so this process will also work on it just fine. I've already looked at it. I just didn't take the cushion apart. So yeah, and the ticking's primarily in the cushions. I don't have a way to check it in the arms for the, what's in here, but you don't get that little hard feeling from the center of the feather like you do in the cushion. So like when you run your fingers across here, you can feel the differences. You don't get that in the arms, so I'm assuming it's not in the arms, but since we're cleaning this one way and we want to all match, we want to clean it with the same method. Just because if you mix and match cleaning methods, the steam cleaning can make it look different than low moisture cleaning. And it's not that it's not clean, it's just one version raises the itty bitty little nap of the fiber a little different. Plus this is a blend. This is a poly cotton, which is like kind of weird. But the easiest way to test for that is a lot of times there'll be, that's cotton. There'll be stray fibers in here, and you can always just take one of these and snip it, and if it burns to an ash, then it is completely natural fiber. But if you burn it and it gets an ash and turns into a hard little ball, then you know that it's a blend. And if you burn it and it just turns into a completely hard little black ball, then you probably burn a little too much. But if it turns into a little black ball or a little hard ball, then chances are it is full synthetic. But again, this reason we're cleaning this is because of the ticking. Other than that, not really afraid of wet cleaning this fabric, as long as it's done with neutral cleaner and acid rinse. But still, you might have some of this kind of stuff bleed through. If any of this gets too wet, it can come out on the furniture. And that's without me taking this all apart and digging through here. But yeah. So anyway, it's always better to inspect and find out what's actually in there. And this is a Maine USA product, according to this tag. So let's see here. It says right here, feathers and duck down, polyester fiber, textile fiber pad and polyurethane foam, resin treated polyester fiber pad, polyester fiber. I don't know. It's got that cotton strip on the back, so I'm treating it as a blend. But yeah, so either way, gonna get this done and get these pieces done. These are not slip covers. I have already inspected these, and the label on these At least the one I checked earlier. Oh, there's no tag on this one. Either the one I checked earlier, it did say that there was down in the cushions. So yeah. So we're gonna treat these as risky fabric for hollow extraction. So we're gonna treat them with low moisture cleaning, and that's why we have those microfiber pads on the machine, because they're gonna absorb a lot of dirt, and that's why I have a bunch of them with me. I got more in my truck. But yeah, so let's get this done, and that's my view for today. Beautiful lake view, and there's a whole bunch of ducks, looks like ducks, out there, and they are diving. A lot of them are diving, catching fish, or whatever they're eating. But yeah, but there's a bunch of them now, so I enjoy days like this where I get to see a nice view and be at a very beautiful house with a client that really takes care of their stuff. And yeah, I'd love to show you more of this house, but it's a private residence. All right, so I shall talk to you guys later. See you in the next one.